nothing, Johnny.
Man, you've been rolling already, huh?
I just got back.
Oh, please don't film me.
You're good.
Okay.
Film the hell out of it.
Get him up out of bed without her to yell at him.
Yeah, we were just like, well, we'll come this way today.
Yeah.
Johnny, he's looking for Funkos. Where are they?
Big old monster, huh?
Enchanted Halloween. Yeah, that's Monster High.
Okay, I gotta dig for him.
Oh, is that Buddy the Elf?
Yep.
What are you asking on them?
25 piece.
Okay.
That's what I paid for.
Yeah, no, they're cool. I was just like, I'm trying to downsize mine now.
Let me see if I can find these coasters.
Don't say nothing, Johnny.
I need to clean up this car.
Yeah, but some of them are mine. Put my cabinet where it belongs, and I'll bring it.
What about these, Johnny?
I don't even know what they are.
Shoes.
Oh, those are Jeff. That's Jessica about those.
Okay.
Prices on those tennis shoes, Jeff.
Okay, ain't
Yeah, that's what I said. I was like, they're kind of cool.
you? Where y'all been this
Probably not those. No, we just left the house.
Yeah. They're toe down.
So he has the chases that he's getting right now, but he said
Okay, I need a price on tennis shoes too.
he said that whole set he would take 100 for. I don't know if that's worth it or not.
Oh, Naruto. Yeah. Yeah.
Against my better judgment. 20 of these.
Okay.
Yeah.
How about a car?
And
Got 11%.
Oh, show her your other arm.
yeah, I was gonna say I know those are going for 100. The LeBrons I paid 220 for, and the Air Forces were like 130.
Yeah.
I just want to get rid of them.
They just look cool.
Oh, here's Funkos.
Will you do 30 for these two? Both 15 a piece?
I
No.
can't do it. No, because
No.
I could get more online.
I know. I was just trying
Yeah.
to see.
They just get like that sometime.
In the shipping. Oh, you taking that out?
What, the Redskin hat? I got a bunch of Redskin stuff over here, man.
Do you?
Oh, yeah.
I'm interested in any of these little.
Wow. I'm gonna set these to the side. Did you see these? If you wanna like Google lens them real quick.
Yeah, I can.
She's even saying 20 pieces. I was like, yeah, it's gonna happen. We're gonna be able to.
Okay. Yeah, I was like this.
Yeah.
There's kind of rodeo. I'm like, he just was interested in looking farther than that. I know we sold this one before.
Mm-hmm.
And then these are little Pokemon stickers.
Oh yeah.
Interested in those, but probably not.
Oh, yeah, we might be able to.
Okay.
If that's what you're asking.
What, with the leather face?
Yes.
You sound better than what I said, bro. That's a 10 or 15.
You said 8 or 10.
That was what else is real. Yeah.
Oh.
I know what I'm doing. Yeah, I would have sold.
All right, man. You want to look at the Redskin stuff?
Sure. I'm gonna see what you got.
I got a little bit of something. I can't remember which ones they're in.
What are you looking for?
Redskins.
Oh, I need that.
That
No,
big one.
I just found one. Me and my wife were talking about it and I lost it again.
Look how nice this thing is, man.
Yeah.
Then on the
Connie, keep track of what you're doing, and some of that stuff you can't price because it's not yours.
They actually need to be thrown in the dishwasher.
Right.
But they got some nice heads. Y'all,
Yeah, new era.
yeah, new era. Every one of them.
Oh, that one's cool.
That's a different design right there.
Uh-huh. That's what I look for.
The oddballs.
Old Houston Oilers.
You don't need prices.
Yep.
Yeah. I
Show me
think it's
20 on the shoes and then
we've got
15 for those.
so 35.
Okay.
Ready? I know. When I came over here, I was like, "Oh, y'all are over here." Yeah. I was at the
We
one
don't
over in
live over here.
I know. That was at the one over at Hopewell.
Yeah, I thought you looked familiar.
Yeah. I was like, that's what I said. I was like, what are you doing over here? He said, I just got over here. There you go. Oh, cool. Oh, it is. She's the sales woman right there. She's like, I got this and this.
She's been greeting everybody. Good morning.
Her smile, she'll flash her blue eyes at you. It's like, all right.
And she's like, buy this. Here you go. Woo. I don't know who's here. Oh, that's it. Don't look like much. How's it going?
Yes, you guys. Alex, yep.
Bluetooth.
What are you asking on the jerseys?
10 each. Caliper. What do you want for them? Jimmy, what do you want for them? Huh?
What do you want for them?
For those?
Yeah.
A peachy.
For the sack?
Peachy, I love peachy.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, 10 each for the jerseys.
Turned into
All 5 of them.
Pikachu.
I'm a Dolphins fan, but I have so many. And
My buddy's a Dolphins fan. That's why I was like, well,
GoPro on filming?
yeah, I got a YouTube channel. Yeah. Oh, do you?
Yeah, I do sports cards and memorabilia.
Oh, nice, man.
What's your name?
Yeah, we flip all kinds of stuff, but I just like to hunt. It's Flips, Finds, and Fun.
Fun.
Yep.
I'll subscribe to you right now.
Yeah, man. And then just like drop a comment. I'll check your channel out, man. Nice. Yeah, we love yard sales. I do storage units, all kinds of stuff.
Everything on this is $1 a piece.
Okay.
The Harley jacket.
Oh, nice.
Need a 10.
Look at the vest.
It's not Harley. It's something else.
Nope.
Where'd the lights go?
You put it back on.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
You're right in the middle of
Jimmy and Harley stuff.
He's way over there.
No lo uso, pero me gusta. Me gusta tener mi herramienta.
Pero pues no.
Morning, folks. Anybody who want any Miami Dolphins jerseys?
I gotta say, I need that 4 Miami Dolphins.
Not quite.
Yeah.
All right, man. Yeah, I'll check out.
All right, thank you.
What's the channel name?
Army ATC 22.
Army ATC 22.
So,
So yeah, not every yard sale pans out to be the best. Some of it my fault. One of the places nobody's at. First one we did find some good stuff, so that was great. But yes, sometimes it's like, what's going on? I'm missing stuff. I'm not asking the right questions. So you got to do that to find the best stuff. It was really fun running into another person who does YouTube content. I'll put a link down there. Does some breaks, some good box openings, some card openings. Got some good info on there. So be sure if you like that kind of stuff, go check it out. But hey, stay tuned. Gonna start doing some other stuff on an RV video coming up soon. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check that link right there to that video as we start working on this abandoned RV. We'll see you in the next video, everybody. Bye.